Behind the back dribble. Attacks. To the hoops. Bucket. Tie game.
Inside post.
Falling away. Bullseye. First. And kicks out.
Number 4.
Pull up game. Bullseye. For 3. Won't go.
Rebound number 7.
Indeed. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Ayun. Abra Intertown. Solid. North. And a first ball possession. Tayum. And here's number 3. Inside pass. To the middle. Stops. Bounce pass. To the middle. Launch on 3. Off the mark. Rebound. Fires. No good. 5 for the rebound. Goes to Buklok. And to the middle. Corner. Attacks to the baseline. To the middle. Inside pass. Falling away. Bullseye. Behind the back dribble. Attacks. To the hoops. Bucket. Tie game. And number 17. Pass to the wings. To the wings. Number 78. Dribbling the ball. Goes to the middle. He stops his spin. Number 31 receives. Fires at 3. Bang! Here's Team Tayum. He crossed the midline. Number 8. Corner pass. Number 25. The bounce pass to the middle. Attacks using the screen. Step back. Put up game. Bucket. And here's Team Buklok. Number 78. He passed to number 17. Number 78 to the wings. Pass to the corner. Open for 3. Won't go. Rebound number 78. Hook shot. Yes, sir. Cross the mid-lane. Tayum. He is at the 3-point area. Number 8 to receive. He fires at 3. Won't go. Rebound number 2. Ball deflected. Almost stolen and recovered. He passes to the middle. Fires. Yes, sir. And here's Team Buklok. And here you go in hurry. And he pass. Full of Jay at the baseline. Ball. And here's Team Tayum. Number 8. He passes to the middle. Number 3. Inside pass. Number 2. Ball is stolen. Number 78. All the way to the hoops. Bucket. Number 3. The long pass. And pass. Asuncion spins. Goes out. He stops. Kicks out. Number 3. Open for the launch. Bang. 3 points. Cross the mid lane. Number 17. And slowly dribbling the ball. Number 78. He stopped for 3. In and out. And here's Team Tayum. Number 3. Stop. Pull up jumper. One go. And rebound. Put back. Yes, sir. And here's number 3. For Team Tayum to number 8. Asuncion. We pass back. Number 3. Pass to the wings. Baseline. Attacks. Pass back. Almost stolen. Recovered by Asuncion. Fake pump. Fire of the window. Money. Oh! Naga ulit. Babalik. Side step against 4 defender. Basket and 1. Recover number 17. Stops. Oh! Sayang naman na travel. And the pass. Corner. Step back for 3. Asuncion. Won't go. Rebound. Takes. Pass. Oh! Yung ganda. Inbound. He passes to number 4. Setting the play. Sisinyas dito. Pass to the middle. Number 2 spins. Ball is stolen. Natapikan mula sa likod. All the way to the hoop. So rejected. What a block. Pump. Spins. Fakes. Falling away. Won't go. Asuncion. Attacking. And lies rolls. Rejected. Team Tayum. Number 2. Pass to Asuncion. Hamito. Pass. Stops. Inside pass. Fakes. Fires. Won't go. And nakalusot. Natapikan. Stolen. And the pass. Asuncion. Crossover. Goes to the baseline. Side step pass. Nakalusot. Oh! And the long pass. 3 on 2. Sumigsag. And he fires off the window. In and out. Tinapik. And 2 on 1. 2 on 2. Attacks. Oh! Supalpal. And rebound. Put back. Bullseye. The net. Rebound Boklok. Number 6, Unheri fires. One go too strong. Rebound Tayum. Number 4 to the middle. Number 8, Asuncion. Pull up jumper the free throw area. Bucket Asuncion. End of the first. And pass back number 4 for Team Tayum. Number 7 to the middle. Picks. Corner. Fire. Bullseye. 10-point lead for Team Tayum. And number 18 to the baseline. Lost the ball. Stolen by Pablo. Pablo to the middle. Inside pass. Fast. Oh, too strong. Noisy putback. Meneses. Wala. Rebound. Boklok. Number 17. Pull up J. Bullseye. And kicks out. Number 4. Tabi. Pull up J. Bullseye. And here's Team Tayum. Number 4. Pass, pull up J3, bang! And number 17 is spins, corner, pull up J, one go. And number 17, sumigsag, nakalusot, oh, lusot na lusot. Bro, pass, stop, number 17, 4-3, bang! 3. And stop, si pass, number 4, Tabi, corner, pull up J, bucket! Number 78, Pablo. Pablo stops. Corner pass. Fakes. To the middle, Pablo. Pablo spins. Attacks. Nakagawan. And he pass. And nice stolen. 2-on-1. Tuloy-tuloy. Lumipad. Wala. Buti na lang nandun si Pablo. Tabi. I-pass sa 3. One go. Rebound. Pablo. Pablo to number 17. Side step reverse layup. Short. Spins. Hook shot. Bucket. Pablo. And stops. Number 25. Stop. Pull up. Not good. Rebound. Bucket. Hamid. Inside pass to Hamito. Pass back. Picks. Kicks out. Picks, drive, pinabitin, bucket! Bro, i-pass. And to the corner. Cross pass. Meneses kicks out. Crossover, spins, Meneses, 4-3, short, picks, clutch, fire, basket and one. Number 3. Step back to the middle, picks. Rebound, he fires. Yes, sir. And number 23 lays to the rim. Yes, sir. Down to 5-point lead. Picks the bounce pass. Floater shot. Yes, sir. Hamito. Fabro. Pass to the wings. Pass back, Fabro. 19 seconds on the game clock. Goes to the wings. He spins. In A1. Picks. Picks falling away. Oh, rejected. Pass break. And sakto yung pass. Oh! Rejected! Pabalik! That's the end of... And number 25. He passes to number 8. Pass back number 25. Ball is stolen. A chance to deduct the lead. Fires. Basket and one! And hook pass. 2-on-2. Pinasa. Fabro picks. Oh! Flash! And Asuncion. Recover. Fires. Short. Put back, bucket, Mito. Pabro, attacks to the rim, Bimangga. Oop, wala. Any pass. Baseball pass. Eksakto yung pasa. Asuncion sumigsag. Spins. No look pass inside. Picks. Dalawa yung dumabay. And one. Back to 9-point lead for Team Tayum. Pabro attacks. Spins. Hook shot, bucket again! Asuncion. I-pass. Number 25. To number 3. Bounce pass to the corner. Open for 3. Bang! To rebound! And here's number 6. Bounce pass. Picks. Clutch. Traverse layup. Oh! Bucket! And number 3 with the ball. I-pass to Asuncion. Bounce pass to Asuncion. Asuncion to number 3. Goes to the screen, fires at 3. Bang! Another rebound. Team Boklok. Bounce pass. Inside pass. Picks. Inside another pass floater. Yes, sir. Menes. Inigo. Between the legs. Corner pass. Baseline. Pull up J. Nugget. And all the way. Pass. Pablo bump. Picks. Bounce pass. Fires. Oh, the friendly roll. And Amito. Oh, easy 2 and 1. For the backdoor inbound. Here's Tim Backlog. Attacks. Bounce pass. Stolen. And 2 on 1. Asuncion. Takes lace. Bucket. And number 17. He pass. And post up. And SS. Kicks out. So crossover. Spins. Meneses. 4-3. 1 go. Rebound para sa Yale team. Cross pass, Pablo, 4-3. 1 go. Rebound pa rin. And it's Pablo, attacks, bam, fire. In and out. Rebound pa rin, Pablo, hook shot. Bakit? The favorite shot. And here's number 4. Team Tayum, bounce pass. Sa Asuncion, side step na look pass. Reverse tie up. Bakit? Asuncion. Pablo in Harry. Hook shot. And number 4. No look pass inside. Pigs. Bound pass. And fires. Short. And stolen. Pablo. Pablo attack to the hoops. So good. Rebound put back. Bucket. And here's number 4. Team Tayum. Stops. Pass. Bounce pass. Hook pass. For Pigs, 4-3. Oh, no good. And rebound. Asuncion. Pass. Fires. Yes, sir. Down to 8-point lead. 1 minute 14 seconds. Pass to the middle. Pull up J. Short. Rebound. Pablo. I-pass. Floater. Basket and go. Offensive foul. Here is number 4. Tabi. I-pass. Pass back. To the middle. 4-3. Bang! That's the end of the pass to number 17. 14 Backlog. Crossover. He loses the screen. Pull up jumper to free throw line. Back. Amito. Pass to Inigo. Inigo step back stops. He pass. Wild open for 3. Short. And Meneses hook pass. Ibambi fires Pablo. So body to body. And number 2 stops. No look pass inside. Fires off the glass. Tinap board Pablo. Pass to Meneses. Pablo. And fires Pablo. Short. Rebound put back. Yes sir. Inigo. Stops. Still dribbling. Setting the play. Inigo. Pass to the middle, natapikan, recover. Hook pass. Oh, stolen. 3 on 1 ang laban. No look pass. Fires. Bucket of the glass. And he pass. Asuncion. Lays. So good. Tips in. Bucket. And pass to the middle. Number 6. Meneses. And he spins. Pass to the wings. Inside pass. Attacks. Reverse layup. Short. Rebound hook shot. Bucket! 68-63 Asuncion. Higas. Inigo. Inside pass Asuncion. Lays. Not good. Asuncion picks. Fires. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Inigo. Kicks out. Open for 2. Long 2. 1 go. Fires. Oh! And attacks. Bounce pass. Pablo. Attacks. Baseline short. Behind the back dribble. Nakatapikan. Stolen. And the pass. Inside pass. Real bucket. Meneses. And the pass. Long pass. Oy, saktong-sakto. Asuncion. Great finish. And it's number 6. 14 Backlog. Bounce pass. Pablo spins. Kicks out Pablo. Step back for 3. Not good. Ooh. And recover. Inigo goes inside. He kicks out. Inside pass Asuncion. Reverse layup. Bullseye. Bounce pass. And nagmamadali. The flash. Lace bucket. And uy. Inigo goes to the screen. Step back for 3. Bang! Congratulations. Team Tayum.